artists all over the world. This man a giant in the business. O'Neal, him ready. See, ladies and gentlemen, welcome on stage this artist from the 70s to the 80s to the 90s, right into the 2022. Welcome on stage, Mr. Cornell Campbell. The man with the beautiful voice, Mr.
Are you ready? Yeah. Level it back. Go to the match. Original thing.
Step across our seat.
Baby, let me tell you more. I love you. What is your name? DJ style. Yeah man, this one is real. You know? The other one, DJ style. First time if you're black, you say you're happy, stay apart. And first time if you're promise, you could not look around. And first time if you're white, everything was alright. And doctor called the first, we say, and doctor called the first. But now the rich man and the poor man come together in a one combination. Come right and now come like we build a better nation. We're not gonna keep it in silence. Come right and now come like we fight against the violence. If you're black like style, if you're white like, this is something I want you all to know. So society get a blow. This is society get a blow. Whether you come by your bus or you come by your car, then you better upset, treat him like a dog. We want love in a jam down. We want love in a jam down. Now we are one big family. Yeah, we are one big family. So wake up everybody, stop your sleeping in your bed. Whether not each other, we say whether bad, keep on moving ahead. Keep on moving ahead. Just roll like let me tell you what I know. In the morning, in the morning, in the evening, in the night time. Yeah, this one called No Man's Land, original thing. When I used to go,
Big artist, blood out, rat-a-tat-a-tan-tan. Step across my singer.
yeah man, love respect. I must run through. Get up a step on here. When I used to go to was sure I can knock you out on the garden. In my chest, walking, oh, nothing. Coming from the mountain, my way to the sun. I'm quite sure I can knock you out on the garden. In a distance of the garden. Yeah, I am the garden. In a distance of the garden. Yeah, I don't mention the east or the west. I leave the people to protest on the garden. In a distance of the garden. Yeah, people, I am the garden. In a distance of the garden. Yeah. Hush up your mouth, guys, if you're down. This is not the girl, know what you're talking about. I'm the garden. In a distance of the garden. Yeah, people, I am the garden. In a distance of the garden. People, this is hush up your mouth, boys, if you're down. This is not the girl, know what you're talking about. I'm the garden. In a distance of the garden. Yeah, people, I am the garden. In a distance of the garden. People, say, are you ready? Take one ready. No, you did. Original. Yeah. It's easy to remember.
Mr. from the artist. whole dancehall Thursday, I feel it. Right? Sing a step cross, come burn it.
Yeah, man. No respect. The Almas run through. No, hear this. You don't feel what you This one called 100 pound of cali. I know, hear it. I got 100 pounds of cali, burning in the shower. I got 100 pounds of cali, burning in the shower. Come back on a tea, I make me smoke up this cali. So I can't with Sister Molly, but it's a time and a real sensei. Now make a jump up the feeling way. Draw away from fire, and me will burn you with fire. With 100 pound of cali, burning in the chopper. I got 100 pound of cali, burning in the chopper.
Song them a bust like a bullet. Singer, step grass.
I ain't the original. You know, hear this. Oh, na, 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 did it from Studio One, back in the days. In the 60s, early 60s, you know? Yeah.
Lift it up, people. From the singer bud, let me hear you say bud. We say from the singer bud, let me hear you say bud. Oh, you mean Jack Clarity? I represent the singer. Step down.
Yeah, very nice. You see them junior, my father find my mother, and you know, say you see me there. So you see me say, put things on people. Get it. Singer! Yeah, man, enough respect. Yeah, too much for comfort. Yeah. Thank you very much. It was good to be here.
People for the love God and they say God! And the people them love you enough for them and the first them I see you sing. The first time them I see you sing so yo look at the people, yo people, Rubber Dub Thursday original dancehall. And yes what me, sing?
Yeah, and I'm very proud and happy to be in your presence, people. Believe me.
Alright, here I'm saying people, Cornell, don't move it. Hold on, Cornell.
Mr. Cornell, manners and respect. I do this with Orius Andy. Yes, I'm going to do this with you too. Yes, I mean, you have to sing that song, yes, for the people then before you leave. Please, I'm asking you, Mr. Akember, manners and respect. This is Oliver from Metro Media. Manners and respect, my boss.
Alright, if I can remember it. Original.
Oliver tell you to sing that. See, I mean no say that no bad like this. Me want you sing this because you're one of the baddest artists. When you're a little boy in the 70s, coming at the 80s, and my dream was to know you. Remember Metro Media, I know you one night, Cornell.
You know me know. Yeah,
That's funny. Drop it, man.
Makes no difference what you say. My heart wants to say always. I just can't breathe. I can't. I'm falling to you, what I need. I just can't help myself. I just can't help myself.
Yo, Cornell, boy, what artist bad man and people. If we never say each song up here so we play, but we make a joyful noise unto the Lord and we give thanks, Cornell. Rubber Duck Thursday, original. Yeah man, original dancehall Thursday. So, nice Cornell. More than a million. You exceed a lot of people's expectation. That's Mr. Cornell Campbell.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!